Hello everybody. For those who know me, I am Divya and I have been recommended two times. And for those who don't know me, I've already taken two classes over here. I have been recommended twice for Indian Air Force and consecutively out of my three attempts. The first time I could not make it, and after I understood what mistakes I should not do, I kept getting recommended. And that is why I am here to help you so that you also can get recommended. So today's class is something that is very simple and it is called how to inculcate OLQs in regular life.
Download the SSB SureShot app from Google Play Store to access courses for written exams like NDA, CDS, and FCAT. You can also find courses for SSB personality development and spoken English. Apply the coupon code SIGNUP15 to get 15% off on your first purchase. Call us on 725 930 7111 for any queries.
So today's topic is the most simplest topic, but it is told to be the toughest thing. That is how to inculcate OLQs in regular life. The very first slide I have is OLQs. So I will not explain you any OLQ, okay, because this is quite understood. What is effective intelligence? What is reasoning ability, organizing ability, power expression, how you speak. You know why I wrote remember? Because you see this picture. Does this look like interview picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Do you guys remember that when you are sitting in an interview, so this is the interviewer, this is you, suppose. The interviewer will ask you CIQ. CIQ matlab kya? Okay, Divya, so tell me about your 10th, 12th marks, percentage, extracurriculars. He'll put around 16 to 18 questions at one go. Correct? The very first thing is remember. Why remember? One more thing is suppose you're in ground, like you're in GTO. GTO rules are never constant, sometimes it keeps changing.
Yeah.
And see, nobody is going to punish you if you forget. यहाँ पे nobody is going to punish. But if you forget again and again and again, this guy will punish you by not selecting you. So instead, take the punishments in your regular life so that here you will go perfect. Physical activity. I think I don't need to mention how important this is. But with physical activity, I don't mean that I want people who go to gym and who have body and ये सब मुझे नहीं चाहिए. So let me tell you, I also started with literally 100 meters. I could not even run this much. You know what you will do? All of you who are running, everybody, what you will do? Today, if you finished at this much, tomorrow you decide, chal bas aaj extra 100, just plus 100 meters, nothing else, and stop. Do this for 2 to 3 months and you'll become comfortable with this mark. You know why? At least this mark, because when you sit in an interview, he will ask you, okay, tell me how much do you run? And then if you tell him, sir, 2 kilometers, 1 kilometers, he will make you feel bad saying, बस इतना ही इतना तो मेरा बच्चा भाग लेता है इतना तो ये हो जाता है then he'll make you feel bad about it. Today if you're not, you know, lecturate हो या जो भी हो, public speaking is a fear among everybody. You know what you can do? Start. Face yourself. If you cannot face yourself and speak, how do you think you will face a public of 10 people and speak? कल को फौज में there'll be 100 people. Correct? Every day, at least 1 minute, look into your eye. Just look into your eye and speak. Start with 1 minute. Go for 5 minutes. सबके पास दिन में 5 मिनट है ना? Do you know US started this whole thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
To counter Russia.
Yeah.
Yes, to counter Russia, they gave funds to Pakistan and everything. So when you know such all these things, and abhi kya hua? Because Afghan issue happened just now, lot of people came to know about it now. But pehle it was not utna news went out. A lot of people did not know because a lot of my friends also did not know. But now that it's happening, people know. So like that, if you know a little of world history, and when you are sitting in a GD, all of you are sitting and discussing, and when you give such points, already people will be like, okay, she has a lot of knowledge, plus it adds to your confidence because you know it. When people are looking up to you with respect, don't you know it? You can see it in their eyes. So why practice writing? Because in your psych test, PSYCH, psych test, how many hours you have to write? 3 hours, right? And we are not in school. That means हमारी handwriting अब उतनी अच्छी नहीं है, correct? So, if you practice writing properly, pehle se if you start writing, and the more you write, the more easier because in that what happens? Your ideas keep coming, your brain keeps giving you ideas, and your hand coordinates. So, if there is no coordination, you will waste a lot of time, and you have only 4 minutes to write the stories. Take up extra work with smile. This is very, very important. What is extra work is, suppose your ma'am says कि she gives you a homework. We have all been in college. Ma'am homework देती है, 98% of the class light ले लेता है. Just 2% of them, ma'am, suppose ma'am, I remember my ma'am had told me that time Brexit happened. Okay, so she asked me, okay, all of you research about Brexit and come. 98% of the people did not do. Only, not even 2%. Only ये भी छोड़ दो. One% did this. Okay, and this is not me. Okay, I was here. I also did do. I used to never take up extra work. So what is extra work? If someone is telling you, it is not necessary. जरूरी है क्या करना? Tell me. It's not zaruri, but if you do it, you will have satisfaction. First thing is you will gain some knowledge. Second thing, and I know LVDG, जो भी है, knowledge. And second thing is you will have more confidence. I'll tell you how. See, if you do this, no, your ma'am will get to know. Plus, you will have knowledge. Plus, suppose extra work. By this, you know what I mean is, for people who are studying, you can help in organizing fest. You will have some time, so organize something. Or what you can do is, any other work, like saying, suppose your ma'am says, I need you to organize a small thing. Smaller things जो भी कॉलेज में आ रहा है, छोटी छोटी चीजें, if you have time, no, try to take it up. Why? Because tomorrow, when you, all of you, very important, when you sit in your interview, no, the interviewer doesn't need to know what marks you got, what, all this is not needed. He just needs to know that can you take up extra work. Because when you go in forge tomorrow, तुम्हारा काम फिक्स होता है क्या? इतना ही काम करना है? नहीं ना. कल को पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज करनी है, ये करनी है, छोटे मोटे सब काम होते हैं, प्लस खुद का काम होता है. सो आई नीड समवन हु टेक्स अप एक्स्ट्रा वर्क विद स्माइल, एंड दिस डजंट कम नेचुरली. दिस यू हैव टू स्लोली स्लोली इनकलकेट, बिकॉज वी ऑल लव आवर कंफर्ट जोन. जो मिल रहा है काम करो, खत्म करो. सो ट्राई टेकिंग अप दिस. So these were small 6 things in your regular life that you can do. Keep doing it slowly, slowly. I will just summarize small things, okay? I need you guys to remember OTP. I need you to remember क्या सामान लाना है ना, सामान लाना है. I need you to remember this. Third thing, take extra work at home. Extra work, small things. I don't need you to do more. Plus 100 meters every day with smile, okay? And what else? Remembering हो गया, extra work हो गया, writing fine, writing whenever you do. Try doing current affairs. Keep reading, or if you can don't make big notes. Nobody likes to read big notes. Make small bullet point notes so that when you have to revise, it's very easy for you. These are the 5 small things you can do in your regular life. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So these are the things that you can do in your everyday life. Now I'll take your doubts and questions, anything, not only about this class, anything that you want to ask.
Ma'am, what is CIQ?
CIQ, yes. CIQ क्या होता है ना, when you are sitting in your interview, so the interviewer will come, he'll make you very comfortable that, hello Divya, okay, I see you've come from here, and how was your journey, everything. Then he'll put on paper like this, and then he'll say, okay Divya, shall we start? You'll say yes. Then he'll say, okay Divya, so tell me, what marks did you get in your 10th? What did you get in your 12th? What are the extracurricular activities that you took? What are the curricular activities you took? What was the lowest point in your 10th? In your 12th, what marks did you get? What is the rank you got in your JEE? Why didn't you get a good rank, or why did you get a good rank? Then why did you choose this college? And then in your graduation, you did this. You see how many questions I spoke in one line? Right? So
Yes,
CIQ full form exactly I don't remember, but when you go to SSB, everybody around you will be like, CIQ पढ़ा क्या, CIQ पढ़ा. CIQ is basically set of so many questions that he asks, 16 to 18 questions in one set. And how many sets he'll ask, it depends on him. It can be 2, it can be 3, or it can be 4 till he's satisfied. So when you guys go to SSB, ये मुझे भी नहीं पता था. Everybody around me was reading CIQ. So I asked them. Then they told, this set of questions is called CIQ.
Ma'am, is the answer should be in the same order like the interviewer asked, or we can mix up the answers?
So he expects you that at least, till one point you have to answer almost in same order. Suppose I'll just write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trust me, the very first set will have at least 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. जगह ही नहीं है. 14 to 16 questions. The first one will definitely have it. So he expects you कि at least till here you answer it in order. यहाँ पे ये पहले बोला, ये बाद में बोला, ये पहले बोला, ये बाद में बोला, it's fine. So, and what will happen, sometimes we tell the 16th one first. He needs you to answer all the questions, okay? First thing he wants you to answer all questions. Then if you answer in any order, that's fine. But what happens, we are human brain. If you answer 16th first and 7th and then 3rd and then 14th, you yourself will forget. You'll become blank, you trust me. So you have to train your brain to start doing it from first. And to train, I told you, start doing it at home, then it becomes very easy in interview. So you have to answer all and mostly try to stick to the order of the questions. I will tell you, whenever there is an interview class, ये particular CIQs, there is a थोड़ा सा, it's not a technique, but you can remember. थोड़ा बहुत try in order. Try remembering it on order. That will give you extra marks.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah.
Is how to improve that listening ability so we can remember things.
Yes. So, you know why we don't listen? We very well remember gossips. या कुछ तो हुआ. Now, if I ask you something about cricket, you remember everything? Yeah? You as in the one who asked me the question. If I ask you something about cricket, okay, what is your favorite sport?
Football, ma'am. Football.
Football. So you watch football.
Yes, ma'am.
And you know everything about football. Yes?
Like, don't too much, ma'am, but I play and watch footballs.
ठीक है. तो if something is happening on the screen about football, कुछ हुआ न्यूज में, तो you will watch it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why? Because this is interesting. This is your interest. Correct? When our mummy asks us to get 4 things from market, this is not our interest, and that's why we don't listen. I also had this thing, listening. We listen what we want to listen. Okay, this is one very fact that हम वही सुनते हैं जो हमें सुनना होता है. So that is why how you can improve is try putting your interest in different things. Because see, tomorrow, no, when you are sitting in a GD, all of you are sitting. You will have no interest in what this person is telling. You are talking your points, but you have to listen. थोड़ा बहुत तो सुनना पड़ेगा क्योंकि GD conclude करना है. Right, you have to conclude the GD, so you have to listen. So how you can do this is literally what this is. Suppose me, Devya, is sitting here. I have no interest in what this person. Why should I listen to someone's points? Because I think my points are good, but I have to listen. So how it will come is by doing छोटे things. What did I say? Easiest thing is when you go to market. Okay, you have to bring at least 3 to 4 to 5 things. Try remembering these. Okay, and if you get the, what did I tell you, 2 scenarios. If you get correct things, good. If you get wrong things, what will you get? You will get scoldings. Again, you go next time. Okay, again 2 things, this or this. Trust me, after second time you will never go wrong. Why? Because your mother will scold you like anything. So what will happen? That will become our interest, that to avoid scoldings we will start doing right things. So similarly, to remember things, start doing small things like remembering OTP. Basically, you have to concentrate your brain at one thing. OTP is just a 6-digit number, but how many of you can remember it at one glance? पढ़ते ही how many of you can remember? Not many. But if you train your brain, basically it's about आंखों से देखना, observation skills and registering in your brain. Very possible. From being this to being this. Now see, and how I try this. So I'm working, I told you, regular things, regular life. I'm working now daily. So there is something in our office called VPN. So basically every day we have to log in into something. And for that, every day I get a OTP. I get 2 to 3 times a day. One OTP, I keep getting OTPs. So earlier I used to copy the OTP or I used to type one number. Okay, 33444. Now what I do, I started doing it. What I started doing, I read it in one glance. I registered it in my brain and I typed it here. If it is correct, okay. If it is wrong, then I had to start the process of VPN again, which will take 1 to 2 minutes. So basically, I'm irritating myself, right? But still, I kept doing this. Why? Because if I get this right, I will stop irritating myself. So punish yourself. Punish as in put stress on your brain. Take the scoldings. Irritate yourself. Put stress on your brain. Forget things so that in your SSB you have better listening power, better remembering power. I hope I answered your question.
Right, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks.
Then what did we do? 6 simple things. Say all OLQs covered. Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So okay. Any more questions? Okay then. Shall we end the class for today? Okay, guys. Let's stop sharing.
Thank you, ma'am. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Don't forget to subscribe to our new channel SSB Sure Shot Plus for exclusive new videos. Also follow us on Instagram for all the latest updates. Check out a Sure Shot guide to crack SSB on Amazon. The link is in the description below.